Once upon a time, in a sleepy little town named Serenity, lived a curious creature named Morbius. Morbius was not like the other children. He was a friendly ghost. Every night, Morbius would float through the town, watching the children play and the adults work. He loved watching the world, but he felt a little lonely. One day, a young girl named Lily moved into town. She was new, and she was curious about everything. One night, she saw a glowing figure in the distance. "Who are you?" she asked, her eyes wide with wonder. "I am Morbius," the ghost replied, his voice gentle and soft. "I am a friendly ghost, and I have been watching you." Lily was not afraid. Instead, she was excited. She invited Morbius to play with her, and he happily accepted. They played hide-and-seek tag, and even went on a nighttime picnic. Morbius found that he was no longer lonely. He had a friend, and he was happy. As the days turned into weeks, Morbius and Lily became the best of friends. One night, Lily asked Morbius, "Can you teach me something special?" "Of course, my dear Lily," Morbius said with a smile. "I can show you how to float like a ghost." Lily was thrilled. She followed Morbius's instructions, and before she knew it, she was floating just like him. They floated through the moonlit sky, laughing and chatting. From that night on, Lily and Morbius spent every night together, sharing stories, adventures, and laughter. They became inseparable, and the town of Serenity was a happier place because of them. And so, the tale of Morbius, the friendly ghost, continues. He is no longer lonely, and he has taught everyone in Serenity the importance of friendship. The end.